Hey everyone, it's Antisar from the Heartbreak Academy. The holiday season can be magical, but if you are going through a breakup or divorce, it can also feel really tough. I know from personal experiences. Those festive songs, happy couples everywhere, and even the quiet moments can hit harder than ever. But today, I've got your back. I'm sharing the best advice to help you navigate this season, heal your heart, and maybe even find joy again. So stick around. First things first, it's okay to feel sad. Grieving is a part of healing, and the holidays might amplify those emotions. But instead of fighting them, acknowledge them. Take a moment each day to check in with yourself, journal, meditate, or just sit with your feelings. Remember, suppressing emotions only makes them stronger later. Think of it like a snowstorm. You can't stop the snow, but you can prepare yourself with the right gear to get through it. Second, setting boundaries is so important during the holidays, especially when you are healing. Here's an example of how you can do it with love and kindness. Let's say you are invited to a holiday party, but the idea of facing questions about your breakup or seeing mutual friends of your ex feels overwhelming. So instead of forcing yourself to go, here's what you could say. I really appreciate the invitation, but I'm focusing on a quieter holiday this year to recharge. So I hope you understand, and I would love to catch up in a more low-key way soon. See how this works? You are acknowledging their kindness, sharing your needs without over-explaining, and keeping the door open for a connection later. It's a win-win. You protect your peace and show that you value the relationship. Remember, setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's an act of self-love. The more you protect your peace, the more space you create to heal. A breakup can make old traditions feel painful, so why not create new ones? Maybe this year you host a movie marathon with your best friends, or bake cookies, to donate or even volunteer. New experiences can help rewire your brain to associate this season with growth instead of loss. And remember, it doesn't have to be grand, just something that makes you feel good. Self-care isn't just bubble baths. Those are great, by the way. But it's about giving yourself what you need. Rest, movement, connection. So take care of your body with good food, little exercise, and enough sleep. And don't forget your mind. Spend time doing things you genuinely enjoy. Think of this as a season to reconnect with you. You are the priority now. And finally, let's talk about gratitude. I know it can sound cliche when you are heartbroken, but gratitude is powerful. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for, big or small. Maybe it's the warmth of a cozy blanket, a kind word from a friend, or even just making it through the day. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you've lost to what you still have, and that perspective can work wonders with your heart. So, if you are struggling this holiday season, remember this. You are not alone, and take it one day at a time. Honor your feelings and give yourself grace. Because this season might not look like you imagined, but it can still be a season of healing and hope. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and also share it with someone else who might need it. And don't forget to download my free survival guide for a broken heart. I will put the link in the description box. Wishing you all the best for this holiday.